Tara, akitin natin. Ayan, maulan. Our Lady of Atonement, pray for us. Saint Joseph, pray for us. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Saint Padre Pio, thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Mother Teresa, pray for us. On earth as it is in heaven. Saint Francis of Assisi, give us this day our daily bread. Saint Therese of Child Jesus, and forgive us our trespasses. Saint Benedict, basta, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Ooh. Saint John Vianney, Saint John Marie Vianney, Saint Rafael Arcangel, Saint Uriel, the Archangel. Taso. Quiapo Church. Hindi, Baguio po ito. Quick look, quick prayer. Sapagkat ikaw lamang ang banal, ikaw lamang Panginoon, ikaw lamang o Hesus Kristo, kasama ng very pagi po dito sa Baguio. Lamig, you know, sarap. 5 hours away from Metro Manila.